My name is Martin Luther King Jr. I was born in 1929 and passed away in 1968. I am from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm most known for being a civil rights leader. Civil rights are rights on offer for everyone. I organize sit-ins, boycotts, and marches for civil rights awareness. I made a speech called I Have a Dream. My dad was a sharecropper. Some interesting facts about me is my dad was a sharecropper. I was a good student. I graduated from Boston University, JFK, John F. Kennedy, helped me get out of jail. I was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. I went to jail a lot. I did not agree with Malcolm X because he wanted to fight with fists, and I wanted to fight with marches. I helped black people get their civil rights. I was a non-violent protester who paved the way for equal rights. I went on marches. I made a speech called I Have a Dream.